DXXX Zamboanga, DXKO Cagayan de Oro, DXDX General Santos, DYKC Cebu, DZKI Iriga, DXKD Dipolo, DXKS Surigao, DXKP Pagadian, DXKT Davao, at DZRL Batak, RPN Provincial Stations.
Ang pinakaenot sa ringkunada. Puon kay do sa gudngunyan. Minaanduyog sa baga na mamanuan. Katuwang para sa kauswagan. Sa mga bareta, patas. Sa impormasyon, public service, enot ka. Malalaoman, katotohanan ang sinasarigan. Inina ang bagong Radyo Ronda. DZKI Iriga Radyo Ronda. Ang maugmang kairiba. Madya na.
RPN Radio Philippines Network Radyo Ronda DZKI Iriga Member kapisanan ng mga broadcaster ng Pilipinas.
Bicol Connection, mga follow-up kan mga issues na makonektar sa mga tao, asin ahensya kan gobyerno, relevanteng informasyon sa likod kan mga bareta. Bicol Connection, mga reports kan RPN patrols, entrevista, asin serbisyo publiko. Yan gabos ang tabayanan. Bicol Connection. Bicol Connection.
An oras na yan, atod sa Indo ni Mr. Julio Victor Marlo Siguera, President, Siguera Technological Colleges, Iriga City. Para sa edukasyon di kalidad, Siguera Technological Colleges.
That time check was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
Ang porsyon na ini hatod sa Indo kan Mamanang's Halo-Halo with branches in Iriga City, Nabwa, Pili, and Naga City. Ang bahaging ito ay hatid sa inyo ng Kanamo Local Food and Beverage House, San Isidro, Iriga City. A huge shout out to the dance community in Bicol region. The biggest and the grandest dance class fever is now here in Bicol. Catch the Bailey Bicol 2023 Street Foundation and Choreography class by none other than Metro Manila's top choreographers. Coach Jigoro Gragasin of Tere and Legit Status back-to-back with Coach Adam Alonso of TPM, both classes for only 450 pesos for early registration and 550 pesos for walk-in participants. Classes schedule September 16, 2023 at 2 p.m. to 7 p.m. Legazpi City, September 17, 2023 at 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. CSPC Auditorium, Nabwa, Camarines Sur, September 17, 2023 at 4 p.m. to 9 p.m. Naga City. This is brought to you by the Moving Style Dance Company in partnership with the Naga City Dance Life, Nabwa Dance Academy, CSPC Performing Arts. Level up! Performing Arts Studio, G-Style Dance Company, and GRD Dancers and Just Mix Dancers. Come one, come all, let us learn and enjoy the beauty and culture of hip-hop. For more details, please follow and like the Movement Style Dance Company official page, and you may contact Mr. Rodrigo C. Salando Jr. via CP number 0947-850-8966. Ang porsyon na ini hatod man sa Indo ni Punong Barangay Weden Salvadora. Ang programang ini hatod sa Indo ni Punong Barangay Eduardo Di Maiwang kan Perpetual Health Iriga City.
Sa tahaw kan pandemya, sa ibong kan mabusog na bagyo, asin pag-alburuto kan bulkan, nung kanya kitang pinabayaan, sa panahon manin pagtios o kaugmahan, an mapagpadabang manto ni Inang Peña Francia, danay tang namamatean. Siring man, kan sa tuyang sadiring partido sa Kongreso, an Ako Bicol Party List, katabang na kasurug pa.
Problema ang sasakyan mo? Kulog payo na, kulog bulsa pa! Pero don't worry amigo, sa Maximus Auto Care Center, ang auto mo ayos tulos. Ang Maximus Auto Care Center may computerized car diagnostics and scanning, mechanical services, body repair, electrical, battery charging, car aircon specialist. Asin nagaako man sinda nin preventive maintenance services para sa gabos na klase nin bihikulo, kabali and fire truck. I-contact lang ang Maximus Auto Care Center sa Nabwa, Balatan Road, Zone 1, Sitio Abaca, San Antonio, Ogbon, Nabwa, Camarines Sur sa 054-884-6509, 0915-096-1993 o sa 0960-563-9766. Email address maximusautocc@gmail.com. FB page Maximus Auto Care Center. Hanapon lang si Mr. Joseph Sim, Chief Mechanic, Maximus Auto Care Center. Maximus Auto Care Center open from Monday to Saturday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Maximus Auto Care Center is PhilJeps registered.
Siring man, buot niya mong pasalamatan ang mga major sponsors kan Peña Francia Celebration 2023. Romars International Gases Corporation, exclusive distributor of Mars Flame LPG cooking gas refilling plant located at Zone 2, San Juan, Baao, Camarines Sur. Owned and managed by VP Director Elmer Sapugay and Charlie Sapugay. Honorable Mayor Rex Cuba Oliva, LGU Iriga City. Olympio C. Nivalio, Custom Broker, Unit 206-C, Regina Building 410, Escolta, Manila. Miss Betsy O. Odavar, Santa Elena Baras, Nabwa, Camarines Sur. Mayor Jeffrey S. Besenio, Baao, Camarines Sur. Uyaman ang mga minor sponsors. Kanamo Local Food and Beverage House, San Isidro, Iriga City. Mr. and Mrs. Salvador and Arlene Espares and family, San Roque Poblacion, Nabwa, Camarines Sur. Engineer Jonel Feliciano Jr. and family, Springfield Subdivision, San Roque, Iriga City. Engineer Ariel O. Soriano, San Miguel, Iriga City. A.T. Reyes Salon, San Roque, Iriga City. Father Dan Aguilar, Paris Priest, Our Lady of Fatima, San Isidro, Iriga City. Dr. Lisette Tulete Chuan and Mrs. Perlita Tulete Chuan, Topasugod, Nabwa, Camarines Sur. Lucky Best Enterprises, owned and managed by Jenny O.K., Iriga City. Honorable Nestor Andaliz and family, Barangay Kagawad, San Agustin, Iriga City. Architect Lito Florese and family, San Antonio Ogbon, Nabwa, Camarines Sur. Botor Store, owned and managed by Mr. and Mrs. Henry Botor, San Francisco, Iriga City. Iriga Metal Forming Incorporated, Highway 1, San Jose, Iriga City. Honorable Eton Paro Balibar, Councilor Bula, Camarines Sur, and Dingdong Antioquia Balyebar, Barangay Salvacion, Bula, Camarines Sur. Honorable Ray P. Lacoste and family, Municipal Mayor, Buhi, Camarines Sur. Barangay Kagawad, Efren A. Martinez and family, San Nicolas, Iriga City. Christine O. Martinez and family, San Nicolas, Iriga City. Past Faithful Navigator, care of George Lapat, Metro Core Subdivision, Las Piñas City. Past District Deputy Eli Pasis, number 28, Mercury, Atlas, Monwalk, Las Piñas City. Sa Indo Pagabos, Dios Mabalos. Be a global achievers with a world-class education and skills. Enroll at Sigara Technological Colleges at Highway 1, Francia, Iriga City. Sigara Technological Colleges offers the following DepEd programs: Senior High School, Grade 11 and 12, Academic Track, Accountancy, Business and Management, ABM Strand, General Academic Strand, GAS, Humanities and Social Science, Strand, Technical, Vocational and Livelihood Track, Automotive Servicing NC1, Automotive Servicing NC2, Computer System Servicing NC2, Electronics Products Assembly and Servicing NC2, Electrical Installations and Maintenance NC2, Masonry NC2 and Tile Setting NC2. CHED programs: Bachelor of Engineering Technology, BAT, Major, Automotive Technology, Electronics Technology, Electrical Technology, Bachelor of Technical Vocational Teacher Education, Major, Automotive Technology, Electronics Technology, Electrical Technology, Food and Service Management, Computer Hardware Servicing, Bachelor of Technology and Livelihood Education, Major, Home Economics, Industrial Arts, Information and Communications Technology, Bachelor of Science in Criminology, Bachelor of Science in Office Administration, Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, Major, Marketing Management, Bachelor of Science in Information Technology. They also have TESDA registered programs: Automotive Servicing NC1, Automotive Servicing NC2, Computer System Servicing NC2, Electronics Product Assembly and Servicing NC2, Driving NC2, Heavy Equipments Operation NC2, Heavy Equipments Operation, Well Loader NC2. Sigara Technological Colleges also offers scholarship program: Sigara Marching Band Scholarship, Sigara Barangay Official Scholarship, cash discounts. They also accept scholarship grant from Tulong Dunong, CHED, Estufa Foster Parent Scholarship, OWA, Provincial Government, Congressional District, TESDA, TWSP, and TESDA, PESFA for freshman students. College admission requirements: bring the original high school report card, F138 or SF9, Certificate of Good Moral Character, F137, High School Graduate or Senior High School Graduate, Certificate of Live Birth, NSO-PSA photocopy, Certificate of Honorable Dismissal, if transferee, transcript of records, if transferee, 3 pieces 1x1 picture, 2 pieces 2x2 picture, and 5 pieces passport size picture, and medical exam report. For senior high school entrance requirements: SF9, report card or SF10, Form 137, Honorable Dismissal, PSA, NSO birth certificate, original, Certificate of Good Moral, and Certificate of Completion. So, enroll now. For more information, please see the register or call 299-2224 or 0921-845-9871 or 0917-8830-109 or visit us at www.facebook.com/Sigara GECS or www.facebook.com. The Sigara Technological Colleges enrollment is now going on. Classes starts for school year 2023-2024 is on September 4, 2023. Siringman, bot manyamong pasalamatan ang mga binason pang mga sponsors kan gigibuon na Peña Francia Coverage 2023. Major sponsor, Iriga City Police Station headed by OIC Chief of Police, Police Major Chavez Napoles. Rinconada Memorial Park, located at Dolorosa, Nabua, Camarines Sur. Sheena RV R. Atole, Municipal Treasurer, Nabua, Camarines Sur. Mr. and Mrs. Jesus A. Marquiliero, Poblacion Balatan, Camarines Sur. Barilas Hardware and Agri-Supply, Barangay Siramag, Balatan, Camarines Sur. Mr. and Mrs. Vicente Palacio and Family, San Juan Batu, Camarines Sur. Punong Barangay, Ramon Bukad and Family, Salvacion, Batu, Camarines Sur. Mr. Mr. R.J. Ramirez, Acting City Agriculturist, Iriga City. Police Major Andrew Alcomendas, Chief of Police, PNP, Buhi, Camarines Sur. Susie Amaro Balwis, San Nicolas, Iriga City. Mr. and Mrs. Joanne and Dennis Manyugo, London, United Kingdom. Lads and Lasses Learning Center Incorporated, care of Mr. Tony and Deti Margate, San Vicente Sur, Iriga City. Dr. Dennis Romeo Berinia, number 333, San Nicolas, Iriga City. Mr. Nilo Barila Guaves, La Purísima Bula, Camarines Sur. Honorable Mayor Fermin Mabolo, LGU, San Fernando, Camarines Sur. Casa Soriano, owned and managed by Andre Soriano, Del Rosario, Naga City. Engineer Ares Hermoso and family. PIO and Quality Assurance Section Chief, 5th Engineering District, DPWH Baao, Camarines Sur. Sa Saindo Pugabos, Jos Mabalos. Viva La Virgen! Viva El Divino Rostro!
Sa panagos na pag-asigura na anpirang taon na tiwala sa kalidad kan mga materyales na mababakal sa Ngo & Sons, mantinido, pinagmarhay kan Ngo Brothers na daig na mag-arog sa iba na nagpapabakal nin mga substandard as in undersized na mga bakal, arog kan kabilya, angled bars, as in iba pa, tasigon sa mga eksperto, nakabarato kaman sa presyo, alagad dai asertado ang siring na mga materyales as in posibleng magdulot pa nin diskwido kaya sa Ngo & Sons. Ang materyales mo nakasunod sa Philippine standards. Di kalidad, asin sigurado, nasa tamang standards. Asin safe, ang sa imong familia, Ngo & Sons. Ang ngaran na matitiwalaan, poon kadto, sad kundunyan.
Maging handa, may El Nino man o wala. Magtanong nin short gestation o short cycle crops arog kan munggo, mani asin soybean. Ipuan ang crop rotation method para makalikay sa mga teste. Magtipon nin tubig uran. Maglaag nin mulch sa palibot kan tanom gamit ang ata o bunot ng nyog. Ipa-ensure ang tanom sa PCIC para makalikay sa pagkalugi. Maapektuhan man kan sobrang init ang sa indong mga pananom.
Sarong serbisyo publiko kan Department of Agriculture sa Bicol.
This time check is brought to you by Olympio C. Nivalio Custom Brokerage, OPC, Unit 206-C, Regina Building, 410, Escolta, Manila. Service offered, Customs Brokerage, Tariff Consultancy, Tracking, Domestic and International Freight Forwarder, Non-Vessel Operating Common Carrier.
Ito ay commercial tungkol sa commercials! Nagtataka ba kayo kung bakit 99.9% lang ang germs na napapatay ng alkohol? Hindi dahil may pasaway na germ na ayaw mamatay. May code on responsible advertising na gumagabay sa lahat ng advertisers. Bawat claim binubusisi para sa ikabubuti ng Filipino consumer. Kapag di totoo, no go. May standards kami. Kaya may Ad Standards Council. Learn more at asc.com.ph.
Para sa bado na ka-bloom sa hamot, prubara na ang Charm Fabric Conditioner.
Charm Fat-Con, bangong kumaga-bloom. Charm Fat-Con, damit ay may bangon ng salibong bulaklak.
Charm Fabric Conditioner, igwaning Stay Fresh Technology. Bado mo, ka-bloom sa hamot.
Charm Fat-Con, bangong kumaga-bloom. Charm Fat-Con, damit ay may bangon ng salibong bulaklak.
Charm Fabric Conditioner, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.
Si Mommy at si Washing Machine believe sa Pride Washing Machine Detergent.
Hello, Washi!
Hello, Mommy!
Laundry day na naman! Ready ka na sa mancha, chocolate, putik, libag?
Kaya yan ang Pride Washing Machine Detergent. May triple stain-away formula. Tanggal ang makapit, madikit, at malupit na dumit mancha. Easy ang labada.
Mula noon hanggang ngayon.
All you need is pride. All you need is pride.
Pride Detergent, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.
Sa panahon ngayon, kau ba'y sigurado? Kau ba'y protektado? Ang pamilya ay i-shield mo.
Laban sa bakterya,
I-shield mo.
laban ng pati virus,
I-shield mo.
Shield That Soap. Patay ang 99.9% of bacteria and virus tested. Bilib ang mga eksperto sa Philippine Nurses Association.
sa sakit protektado,
I-shield mo.
pamilyang protektado,
I-shield mo.
Shield That Soap. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Mula sa #1 Smart Dishwashing Paste.
Ang galing-galing mo! Smart dishwashing paste ko. Pritong ulam na masebo. Plato o kaldero. Tanggaling for everyday.
Ganyan pag Smart ang dishwashing paste. May double tanggaling formula. Tanggal galing ang sebo at bacteria.
Pahit para walang bahid. Linis fantastic sa metal at plastic. Number 1 ko to. Tanggaling-galing mo. Smart dishwashing paste.
Heavy duty linis bawat pahid.
Smart dishwashing paste. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified. World-class quality.
ACS Star Wax, Star Wax Wax. Star Wax, Star Wax Wax. Always remember, sa paglinis, pakitawin ang sahig. Mrs. Star Wax, Star Wax Wax. Kitang na to the max.
Star Wax ang #1 floor wax. Ugwaning waterproof formula. Ulaan man ng tubig, balikin taban sa lug.
Star Wax, Star Wax Wax. Kitang na to the max, max, max.
Star Wax Floor Wax. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified. World-class quality.
ACS.
Para di madaling masira ang ngipin ng pamilya, ngayon pa lang,
Unique toothpaste for brushing every after kumain.
dahil ang unique toothpaste, may Max Protect formula.
Ngipin ay Max Alaga. Max Protektado pa.
Helps stop cavities even before they start, while keeping breath fresh with regular use.
Unique toothpaste for brushing para siguraduhin ngipin ay Max Alaga. Max Protektado pa. Unique.
Max Alaga, Max Protectado with unique toothpaste maximum fluoride protection. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing. ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS. Boom, papaya, white rose papaya, yeah, yeah, yeah. Boom, puti ka in 7 days, oh yeah, 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 yeah. White rose papaya.
New White Rose Papaya. Iguaning double whitening and papaya extract as in vitamin B3. Clinically proven man magpaputi in as early as 7 days with regular use.
Puti ka, white rose papaya, yeah, 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 yeah.
Papaya puti, papaya fast. White Rose Papaya with vitamin B3. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Ang lemongrass na napatunayang nakakababa ng blood pressure, luyang dilaw na nakakaalis ng insomnia at bad cholesterol, ampalaya na mabisa sa diabetes at manunggay na puno ng mga bitamina at mineral. Lahat ng ito at iba pang natural antioxidants pinagsama sa Herbalaya Food Supplement. Alagaan at proteksyonan ng katawan. Mag-Herbalaya Food Supplement araw-araw. Herbalaya Food Supplement, ang 5-in-1 immunity booster. Herbalaya, mabibili sa inyong mga suking butika.
Mahalagang paalala, ang produktong ito ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamiting panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.